Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am super excited to show you how to create a killer event page on Facebook. I'm going to show you the best practices, and it's a step-by-step tutorial. And this is specifically to show you how to create and promote a live event. Now, I've been doing live events for over a decade, and I've been at it for a while. I have a concession stand, I've had a face painting business, and now I'm also a promoter and event coordinator for live events in my town. So I also want you to know that you can use this tutorial for online events too, and instead of putting a link to your website or a place to buy tickets, you could have a link to your Zoom page, your Facebook group, or wherever you want to do it. So you're going to see the places in this tutorial where you can change it for online or live. But I'm specifically doing this for a live event on Facebook, and I'm doing this on my desktop. So it'll be a little different if you're doing it on mobile, but this is how I like to do it because I can see the whole page, and it's easier for me to show you guys how to create an event page on here. And I also want you to know I'm a marketing strategist, I'm a copywriter, dating coach, event coordinator, and I love to help people grow their business. And that's why I do this YouTube channel. But my businesses do keep me really busy, especially 6 months in the warm seasons of the year. So anyway, if you like my videos or you think you're gonna like my videos, smash that red subscribe button. Please comment, like, and share with people that you think this video might help. So I'm really excited to show you how to create an event page for an event I've worked on for a couple of years in Morgantown, West Virginia. It's called Chocolate Wine and Shine, and the website for it is chocolateWineShine.com. It's a specialty food and drink event where we have chocolatiers, artisans, it's a juried show. We also have beer, local craft beer. It's a local juried show. It's a juried art show. It's also a food and wine festival. So there are tons of free chocolate samples. We have wineries all from around the state, and there are tons of wine samples you can taste and sample throughout the day. We have 2 different shifts. We have an afternoon and a PM evening ticket available. So I'm probably going to have to create 2 events, one for the morning and one for the evening. So you'll also get to see how I do that. Or maybe I can figure out a way to do the times for the entire day with one event page. I'm not sure, but I'm excited to figure this out with you guys. And there's more than one way to set up an event page. You can do it on your phone, but I'm going to show you the way that I like to do it that keeps it really streamlined and simple. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing is you need to be logged into Facebook. Now I'm also going to be doing this from a business page. So you can see in the top right hand corner, you see my profile picture here. So I'm going to actually change that by clicking on my picture and click see all profiles. So I'm going to do it from Chocolate Wine and Shine Festival. Now this is West Virginia's biggest chocolate and wine event, and it is incredible. So if you'd like to come, I invite you to go to chocolateWineShine.com to buy tickets, or if you'd like to apply to be a winery, a distillery, an artisan, you can also go to chocolateWineShine.com and apply online. All right. Okay, so we're here on Facebook.com. So what we're going to do is click on the business page, which is Chocolate Wine Shine Festival here. And it's going to bring us over here to this manage page area. So then you're going to want to go to, over on the right hand side, you'll see the little tools and it says manage. It's beside the blue promote button. So I'm going to click manage and then scroll over to the left hand side and click onto events. And this is where you can create an event page. So we're going to go here and click create event. All right, so we're going to click create event, and then this event that I'm creating a Facebook event page for is not an online event. It's an in-person event. So you're going to want to choose which one of those you're doing for your event. So we're going to put chocolate, wine, and shine. And I'm going to make this for the second session, which is the evening session. It's not October 3rd. So you're going to want to choose your event date with this calendar. Our event date is February 11th. The PM time is 5:15 p.m. And I gotta check the time it's over. 5:15, and you want to add an end time if there's an end time. Our end time is 9 p.m. So this is a public event. I think if you have a business page and you have an event, a lot of them are public. Unless you're in a private group, I'm assuming that it can only be a private event for people in a private group. So you're going to want to put a description about your event. Now, one thing to note, I don't want you to put fluff words in the beginning. It's really important because in the beginning of the description, that's what's going to hook the people into reading your ad. So you want to focus on the benefits to the person who might want to attend your event. If they like shopping, you want to talk about the great, amazing shopping they're going to have. If it's a food event, you want to talk about the food. You want to talk about the drinks. You want to talk about the fun reasons why people would want to come to your event. Now, I love putting copywriting in everything I do, and marketing strategy is behind every thought that I have when it comes to creating Facebook pages, email copy, landing pages, dating apps, whatever. You want to think about what your ideal customer wants when they look at your event. What is it going to bring to them? Is it going to bring them pleasure? You don't want to focus on bringing them pain, right? You want to think about the pleasurable, fun, incredible times they're going to have with their friends, their family, people they might meet at the event. So in the description here, I already have a description written. I just have to find it. Which window did I put it in? Give me one sec. Okay, so I have some words here. I'm going to try to copy and put into my Facebook description here. So you don't want to put boring words that don't speak about the event. So I want to start from the get-go. This is West Virginia's biggest wine and chocolate event. You can sample delicious chocolates, wines, and spirits. This is why people want to come. They want to shop. They want to eat. So I'm bringing that up in the first couple sentences. Dance the night or day away while you win fabulous prizes. We give away over 100 prizes throughout the afternoon and evening sessions. So this is going to be really inspiring for somebody who likes to win, maybe someone who likes to gamble or something. They're going to want to win these prizes. So you also can do a little bit of scarcity if you have limited tickets. Scarcity works in sales and marketing. If people think there's a limited amount of tickets, they're going to want a ticket. And you can't fake a limited number of tickets if you're going to sell 1 million tickets and you're pretending like there's only 300. But our event is limited. It's only 3,000 tickets throughout the day is the max total amount of people that can come. So I also want to talk about locations. I talked about Pittsburgh, Deep Creek, Morgantown, Wheeling, Washington, Clarksburg. These are areas that are close enough to us that people might want to come, get a hotel, make a Valentine's weekend for their sweetheart. This is on Valentine's weekend. So I could also talk about that in my description. Let's write, this is the perfect getaway for singles and couples on Valentine's weekend. We'll put surprise. I can't spell anymore. Surprise your sweetheart or meet a new one. Okay, because this is a friendly event for singles and couples. So the next thing you're going to want to do is pick a category. So your event might not fit great into one of these categories, but you'll have to do your best because these are the choices on the left-hand side that you have. Visual arts, social issues, comedy, crafts. So we have food. At this event, we have drinks. It is a party. There is shopping. But I'm going to focus on the drinks because the wine is a really big part of this event. And we feature a lot of West Virginia wineries. Also, food people and incredible artisans. All right, so you're going to think about what's the main category of your event. So you can also add your location. We're having this event at a big event center in our town. If you don't have an event center, you can put the actual address. And if that doesn't work, you can put your town and you can put in the address into your description or in your Facebook page, on your posts, in your advertising, and that kind of thing. Okay, it also gives you an option to put health and safety requirements if it's an outdoor event, if masks are required. You want to probably go along the guidelines of your local, state, federal health department, whatever the guidelines are for that, for your events. And this is an event with alcohol, so it's going to be 21, must be 21 and up to attend with a valid ID. People can't have expired IDs. The ABC is pretty strict in our area, and so if you have an expired license and expired passport, it won't work at a lot of events that have alcohol. So those are going to be our requirements. I'm gonna click next. Add a ticket link. We actually don't have a ticket link yet. It's not going to be live until October 15th, 2023. So for now, just to hold the space, I'm going to put the ticket URL just as our homepage on the website. And then I'm going to click Save, and let's check event settings. This is where you can add a co-host, an admin person, a vendor that you trust to not post spammy things onto the discussion or on your Facebook page. So I'm going to leave this blank for now. And another thing you're going to want to think about is if you want to show your guest list or not. I suggest on showing the guest list because social proof is really powerful when it comes to sales and marketing. Because if people see that other people are excited about the event, they're going to say, wow, this is a cool event. 5 of my friends are already signed up. Maybe I should go too. So you're going to want to show your guest list unless it's a really small event or you're not getting any action on your event page. Now, if this happens, if you're not getting action on your event page, you might have issues with your wording. You might not be featuring the benefits to your event. You might not give enough details. Or if you're running ads or anything, you might not be targeting the right audience. So if you don't just have a host, if you want everyone to be able to post, you're going to have to make it, must be approved by host. At least that's what I suggest. But it's easier if you control the messaging in your event and you create your own posts and nobody else can post for you. And if you do let other people do it, make sure you approve them so you have high quality posts on your page. So we're going to go ahead and click Save. And then we're going to click, actually, I'm going to go ahead and click Save as Draft. But I've saved as draft a little earlier today, and my draft didn't save, which is kind of a bummer because I worked on it. I kind of worked on it, you know? Okay, so publish this event to make it visible to others. So I'm going to go back into my page here, and I want to just see if the event... okay, here we go. Our cover photo is updated, If you haven't seen the video on updating a cover photo for your event, it kind of ties into your Facebook page. And you're also going to want to have a Facebook profile photo here. And on this profile, I put the date because I want to feature the date. This event is coming up. If you have one, you want to make sure that date is in your face on the cover. It can be in your profile. It can be on your event pages, your business pages. Share it to your personal page. Do everything you can to get people watching and coming to your event. So I think that we've covered everything. And if you have questions about promoting events, please don't hesitate to reach out. My website is dinacolladacopy.com. I'll put a link below in the comments or in the description, so if you want to come and visit me at my website, you can check it out there. And I look forward to creating more videos. If you like this, please hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me, and it makes me motivated to keep creating amazing content for you. I'll see you in the next video.